Just an update on the humanitarian situation in Gaza. The World Health Organization yesterday said they delivered dignity kits in the north of Gaza to support hygiene needs of more than 26,000 women and girls. There are plans also to expand the capacity at Al-Shifa Hospital in Gaza City by 200 beds. WHO is also working with the Ministry of Health to carry out an assessment at the Indonesian hospital to support the restoration of that facility. And 2 surgical teams are being deployed to the Ali Arab and public aid hospitals, both in Gaza City, to support trauma and surgical capacity there. WHO tells us that discussions are on their final stages of setting up prefabricated health facility in Gaza City. Meanwhile, our OCHA colleagues also tell us that 500,000 people have now returned to the northern area of the Gaza Strip and that the ceasefire continues to hold. Our partners say displaced Palestinians are also moving from north to south, although in smaller numbers. As of yesterday, 8,500 people have done that journey. We and our humanitarian partners are continuing to ramp up our response at monitoring points along the way of people moving south to north. This includes first aid and psychological support for the most vulnerable, including children, women, and older people. We and our partners are also expanding aid operations in North Gaza. Yesterday, OCHA team visited 2 sites in the South Ramal and Tel Al-Hewa neighborhoods in Gaza City. People there say they urgently need water, kitchen supplies, bedding, and cleaning items. Also, you heard from our colleague, the Mine Action Service, yesterday, and they're telling us today that UN mine action officers have accompanied some 300 convoys since the ceasefire took effect, and our World Food Program colleagues are also increasingly present in the north. OCHA remains deeply alarmed by the worsening humanitarian situation in northern area of the West Bank, as well as Israeli forces' operations in Jenin continue for an 11th day. Repeated operations have resulted in widespread destruction of homes and infrastructure. Nearly all of Jenin's refugee camps, 20,000 residents, have been displaced over the past 2 months in the context of security operations, both by the Palestinian Authority and the Israeli security forces. And on Haiti, another bleak